In this video, I'll show you how to terminate an employee in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar, and on the left-hand side, click on the fifth option, which is payroll. Now, under payroll, you want to head over to employee management, and at the bottom, just simply click on employees. Now you'll be taken to the employees section wherein it will list all of your employees. Now to terminate an employee, simply head over to the employee in which you want to terminate. This will be Sonia Michaels for me. And once you are on the personal details, simply head over to the second tab, which is employment. Now, once you are on the employment tab at the bottom and the left corner, you will see an option to end the employment. So if you click on end employment, in here you will be asked to add a termination date. So let's say we will end their employment next week, which will be the 6th of April. Now, on the reason for termination, in here you can add a voluntary cessation, a type 3 health, a deceased, redundancy, dismissal, contract cessation, as well as transfer. So let's say we want to add transfer. And once you're done, head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on the red button to end the employment. And once you click on end employment at the bottom in the left corner, a banner will show saying that the employment end date has been set for this employee. Now, if you scroll down, it will automatically show you the termination date as well as the reason for the termination. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on save. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.